Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by working with hair that's damp but not dripping. This gives control and faster styling. Apply a golf ball-sized amount of volumizing product at the roots to create hold without crunch. Then, using a round brush, lift the front section while directing warm air from the dryer upward and back. Rotate the brush to build volume. Once you have a soft peak, blast with a short, cool shot to lock shape. Make sure to keep tension consistent for an even quiff base. Once the base volume is set, divide the top into 3 zones to manage length and direction efficiently. Rub a pea-to-quarter-sized amount of product between your hands to warm it. Choose pomade for sleekness or clay for a matte, grippier finish. Apply from mid-lengths to ends, avoiding overloaded roots. Comb the front back at roughly a 45-degree angle to form the quiff's fall, then rework with your fingers to create deliberate separation and natural movement. Make sure to check symmetry in the mirror. To finish, set the silhouette with a light, flexible hairspray sprayed from 8 to 12 inches to avoid crunch. If the quiff droops later in the day, quickly relift the roots with a blast of warm then cool air while pushing up with your fingers. Make sure not to pile on extra product, or it will weigh down. For persistent collapse, remove a little bulk at the crown with scissors or texturizing shears. Troubleshooting tip: if hair gets greasy, shampoo the roots and rebuild volume with mousse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.